Google just destroyed the App Store. Type words. Get full Android apps. No coding required. Thousands of developers just became obsolete. Google AI Studio launched something insane. You type a text prompt. It generates complete native Android apps. Full Kotlin code included. You test it instantly in browser. No App Store. No developer. Just pure AI magic in seconds. Here's what nobody is saying. This is the SaaSpocalypse moment. Simple utility apps, calculator apps, to-do lists, they're done. Why download when you generate instantly? Traditional app stores just became Blockbuster, and AI became Netflix. Your custom app business? Disrupted. That developer you hired? Maybe unnecessary now. Small app studios are panicking. But wait, complex apps still need humans. Games need creativity. Enterprise needs security. This kills simple apps only. For now, subscribe if this blew your mind. We cover AI disruption nobody talks about. Drop a comment. Does this scare you or excite you? Let's debate below.